Hi, நம்ம லாஸ்ட் கிளாஸில் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் நம்பர்ஸில் பேசிக் அல்ஜிப்ராயிக் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் ஆஃப் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் நம்பர்ஸ் அந்த கான்செப்டை பார்த்தோம். அந்த கான்செப்டில் அண்டர் அடிஷன் அண்டு அண்டர் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன், ஸோ சம் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ், க்ளோசர் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி, அசோசியேட்டிவ் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி, காமுடேட்டிவ் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி, தென் அடிட்டிவ் ஐடென்டிட்டி, தென் அடிட்டிவ் இன்வர்ஸ். இதே மாதிரி நமக்கு மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன், closure property, associative property, then commutative property, identity, then inverse of a complex number, multiplicative inverse of complex number, then அதிலிருந்து நம்ம distributive property. ஸோ இந்த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் எல்லாம் தான் நம்ம லாஸ்ட் வீடியோஸில் நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணோம். இப்போ இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, இந்த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் ரிலேட்டடாக இருக்கக்கூடிய எக்ஸசைஸ் 2.3 ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் எல்லாமே நம்ம இந்த எக்ஸசைஸில் நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஓகே, the first question, if z1 equal to 1 minus 3i, z2 is equal to minus 4i and z3 is equal to 5, show that z1 plus z2 plus z3 equal to z1 plus z2 plus z3. Okay, so this is the associative property. So this is an associative property. So first we consider left hand side. What is the left hand side? z1 plus z2 plus z3, z1 plus z2 plus z3. So first we find z1 plus z2. What is z1? z1 is 1 minus 3i plus z2 is minus 4i plus z3. z3 is 5. Okay, so after then 1 minus 3i plus into minus minus 4i then plus 5. So now 1 minus 3 minus 4i. So both are imaginary numbers. So minus 3 minus 4, that is minus 7i plus 5. So real numbers நம்ம add பண்ணனா 1 plus 5 6 minus 7i. So this is a LHS. After then RHS, z1 plus z2 plus z3. So that is RHS. z1 plus z2 plus z3. So first z1 is 1 minus 3i plus z2 is minus 4i plus z3 is 5. So 1 minus 3i minus 4i plus 5. So that is equal to 1 plus 5 is 6, minus 3 minus 4i is minus 7i. So this is answer 2. So from 1 on 2, LHS is equal to RHS. That is the associative property is satisfied. Then the second one, under multiplication. Okay, under multiplication, z1 into z3, z1 into z3 equal to z1 into z2 z3, z2 z3. So first LHS, z1 into z2 into z3. So what is z1? 1 minus 3i, z2 minus 4i into 5 into z3, that is 5. So 1 into minus 4i minus 4i. So minus into minus plus 3 into 4 12, I into I square value minus 1. So again your minus into 5. So after then 5 into minus 4, that is minus 20i minus 60, that is minus 60 minus 20i. So this is LHS. So after then RHS, what is RHS? Z1 into Z2 Z3, Z1 into Z2 Z3. What is Z1? 1 minus 3i into Z2 is minus 4i, Z3 is 5. So minus 4 into 5, 20. So minus 20i. So 1 into minus 20i, minus into minus plus 60, I into I square is equal to minus 1. So minus 60. So that is minus 60 minus 20i. This is the answer 2. So from 1 and 2, LHS and RHS are both are equal. So this is associative property under multiplication. Okay. Next, the third one, the second question. What is in second exercise 2.3, second one? If z1 equal to 3, z2 is equal to minus 7i, z3 is equal to 5 plus 4i, then show that z1 into z2 plus z3 equal to z1 z2 plus z1 z3, z1 z2 plus z1 z3. That's all. So first LHS, z1 into z2 plus z3. So z1 is 3 into z2, z is minus 7i plus z3 5 plus 4i, 5 plus 4i. So இந்த 3 அப்படியே வச்சுக்கலாமா, minus 7 plus 4. So that is minus 3i plus 5. So here 3 3s are 9 minus 9i plus 15, that is 15 minus 9i. So consider equation number, so the answer 1. After then RHS. What is the RHS? Z1 Z2 plus Z1 Z3. So first Z1 into Z2 plus Z1 into Z3. Z1 is 3 into Z2 is minus 7i plus Z1 is 3, Z3 is 5 plus 4i. So that is minus 21i plus 15 plus 12i, that is equal to 15, 21 minus 12, that is 9. So minus 9i. This is the answer 2. So from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. So this is a distributive property. Distributive property. So one more distributive property. What is the one more distributive property? So one more distributive property, Z1 into Z1 plus Z2. Okay, Z1 plus Z2 into Z3 is equal to Z1 into Z3 plus Z2 into Z3. Z2 into Z3. So first LHS, Z1 plus Z2 into Z3. So Z1 plus Z2. So Z1 is 3. Z2 is minus 7i into 5 plus 4i. 5 plus 4i. So both are in standard form. So standard form இருந்தால் நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறதுக்கு நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி இதுக்கு ப்ரீவியஸ் வீடியோஸில் எல்லாமே நம்ம மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனுக்கு ஃபார்முலா சொல்லியிருக்கோம். வாட் இஸ் தட் ஃபார்முலா? ரியல் இன்ட்டு ரியல் minus imaginary into imaginary, that is RR minus II, RR minus II plus I into RI plus IR, RI plus IR. So this is a shortcut method for multiplication of two complex numbers. Okay, so how to multiply? First real into real, 3 into 5, 15 minus imaginary into imaginary, imaginary part is minus 7 into 4, so minus 28. So already formula ஒரு minus இருக்கு, so minus into minus plus 28 plus I into real into imaginary, real into imaginary, that is 12 minus plus imaginary into real, so 7 into 5, 35, so minus 35, that is 43 minus 23i. So this is the answer 1. After then RHS. What is RHS? Z1 into Z3 plus Z2 into Z3. So first Z1 into Z3 plus Z2 into Z3. So Z1 is 3, Z3 is 5 plus 4i plus Z2 is minus 7i into 5 plus 4i. So 3 5s are 15 plus 12i minus 35i minus into minus, minus into plus minus 7 into 4 28. I into I square. So I square value minus 1. Already here minus 1 is there. So minus into minus plus 28. So 15 plus 28 equal to 43 minus 35 plus 12, that is minus 23i. So from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS, the distributive property is satisfied. Okay, so this is the second problem. So after then the third sum. What is the third sum of this exercise? Z1, Z2, Z3 are there. Find the additive and multiplicative inverses of Z1, Z2, Z3. Okay, so 3 complex numbers கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அதுக்கு வந்து நமக்கு additive inverse and then multiplicative inverse அப்படிங்கறத நம்ம இப்ப ஃபைண்ட் பண்ண போறோம். ஓகே, so ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம additive inverse நம்ம என்ன அப்படிங்கறது இந்த previous வீடியோல நம்ம பார்த்திருக்கோம். additive inverse னா minus. Okay, suppose z equal to z is a complex number, now additive inverse is minus z. So suppose z is a plus ib, then minus z is minus of a plus ib, that is minus a minus ib, that is the additive inverse. Now let z1 equal to 2 plus 5i, z2 is equal to minus 3 minus 4i, then z3 is equal to 1 plus I. Find the additive and multiplicative inverses of z1, z2, z3. Additive and multiplicative inverses of z1, z2, z3. So first நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா additive inverses for z1, z2, z3. Okay, so additive inverse of z1, z2, z3 are minus z1, minus z2, minus z3. So what is minus z1? That is minus of 2 plus 5i, that is minus 2 minus 5i. After then minus z2, so minus of minus 3 minus 4i, so minus into minus plus, so that is 3 plus 4i. Next additive inverse of z3, so z3 is 1 plus I, so minus of 1 plus I, that is equal to minus 1 minus I, minus 1 minus I. Okay, next multiplicative inverse of these complex numbers. What are the numbers? Z1, Z2, Z3. Okay, so multiplicative inverse means the reciprocal. Multiplicative inverse means the reciprocal. So Z into omega is equal to Z into W is equal to W into Z is equal to 1. But W is the multiplicative inverse of Z. So how to find the inverse of Z? That is Z inverse. Z inverse is equal to 1 by x plus iy. 1 by x plus iy. So நமக்கு denominator complex numbers இருக்கக்கூடாது. So should take conjugation. So into x minus iy divided by x minus iy. So that is x minus iy divided by a plus ib into a minus ib, that is a square plus b square. Okay, so Z inverse is equal to x by x square plus y square minus I into y by x square plus y square. So இந்த ரிசல்ட்ஸ் வந்து நம்ம லாஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் நம்ம பார்த்தோம். இப்போ இந்த ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் Z1 Z2 Z3 யோட மல்டிப்ளிகேட்டிவ் இன்வர்ஸ் என்னவா இருக்குங்கிறது இப்போ நம்ம பார்ப்போம். ஓகே, ஸோ what is the multiplicative inverse of Z? So multiplicative of Z1 is 1 by Z1. So that is 1 by Z1 equal to 1 by 2 plus 5y. So after then taking conjugation, so 2 minus 5y divided by 2 minus 5y. So 1 into 2 minus 5y is 2 minus 5y. Then denominator a plus ib into a minus ib, that is a square plus b square. Okay, in algebra la nama a plus b into a minus b அப்படினோம்னா a square minus b square. In complex number a plus ib into a minus ib equal to a square plus b square. How? A square minus I square b square. So I square is equal to minus 1. So minus into minus plus. So that a plus ib into a minus ib equal to a square plus b square. That is 2 plus 5y into 2 minus 5y is 2 square plus 5 square. So that is 1 by 29 into 2 minus 5y. So the multiplicative inverse of Z1. So multiplicative inverse of Z1. What is Z1? 2 plus 5y. So the multiplicative inverse of 2 plus 5y is 1 by 29 into 2 minus 5y. 2 minus 5y. Okay. Then multiplicative inverse of Z2. That is 1 by minus 3 minus 4y. So taking conjugation. So conjugation என்பது நமக்கு imaginary பார்ட்டுக்கு மட்டும் தான் நம்ம sign change பண்ணுவோம். So minus 3 plus 4y divided by minus 3 plus 4y. So 1 into minus 3 plus 4y divided by a square plus b square, that is 3 square plus 4 square, that is 1 by 25 into minus 3 plus 4y. Okay, next, what is the multiplicative inverse of Z3? So here Z3 is 1 by, so Z3 is 1 plus I. So 1 by Z3 is 1 by 1 plus I. Then conjugation 1 minus I divided by 1 minus I. That is equal to 1 minus I divided by 1 plus 1. That is 1 by 2 into 1 minus I. Okay, so இவ்வளவுதான் வந்து இந்த 2.3 exercise. Thank you.